sang hard. Yeah, we could have drove down. Just back up, play music. Oh, we used to do that at the Huguenot Beach, just to drive up.
Oh.
Ain't being fast.
No, Robbie.
You were on the carpet.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flyest of them all?
Hey yo, my car stupid. Hey yo, my house stupid. Yo, bitch got me on the couch in the mouth stupid. I'm a star stupid. I'm iced out stupid.
Robbie, get her to turn around.
Gabby, you gonna take a picture?
Take a picture, look.
Well, I got it on video now.
Hi, say hi.
Say hey. Say what's up, Louis gang? Say hey, Louis gang.
Ciara's, your drink, the bad bus.
Louis gang, Louis gang, Louis gang. We at the beach, we chilling out. Florida, St. Augustine. Living life to the fullest. Look at Gabby. And she enjoying herself. Aww. All right, Gabby, a wave coming. Here we go. Ooh-wee. There you go, baby. You caught a fish yet? You got one?
Come right here.
Let's see if we can see any. It's your first time at the beach. It's your first time at the beach, baby. Say hey. Say hey, Louis gang. Say, how you doing, Louis gang? You got a shell? You got your first seashell? Yeah. Baby got a first seashell. And your nose all snotty up. Lord have mercy. You ready to walk, play? Ready to go play? Louis gang, we out and about still. Beach time. Yeah, man, that's a beautiful sight, man. We in St. Augustine, Florida. That's gotta live life, y'all. Definitely gotta live life. The clouds in the sky looking beautiful. This one right here, she done got tired. Yes, Lord, man. Melanin straight popping, man. Need no sunscreen, none of that. God gave me the skin, man. Straight up. Say hey, Gabby. Hey, Gabby. Gabby. Yeah. Gabby. The wave coming, baby.
Oh, you want to be Baywatch? As soon as they come back. Instagram video.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Hell no, there'll be an Instagram video of me dying.
You got that whole lot of rabbit. You get pushed back in.
How a nigga drowns.
More 5 o'clock.
I can swim, y'all, but not that goddamn good.
Louis gang, Louis gang, Louis gang. We back again with another video, and it's a girl, Maya. And Mara.
And Louis gang, baby.
You want to tell them what we doing?
We gotta take a 10-hour break. We are in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Yeah, we about to sleep for a couple hours and then go get some breakfast.
Period.
What are you eating, young lady?
Me burger and the fries.
And what are you eating, my young lady?
Same. The burger and the fries. Burger and fries.
And I got the Whopper. Got to have the barbecue sauce for the frap. Got to have the barbecue sauce.
Yeah, we got it, baby. Yeah, scooter seats, baby. Yeah, Chucktown's finest, baby. See me 30 deep in the club, yeah. You know what time it is, boy. Hey, Chucktown, stand up for this one right here, boy. Yeah. Ain't nobody but us though. See me 30 deep in the club, they like. SS sitting on dubs, they like. Posted up on me with a mug, they like. Ladies like, fellas like. See me 30 deep in the club, they like. SS sitting on dubs, they like. Posted up on me with a mug, they like. Ladies like, fellas like. Bottles of champagne popping, if you ain't heard, I'm a star. My team be reign supreme, riding round in fancy cars. Look at these haters, all on the sidelines, they salty. Mad at the world, cause they reputation faulty. Me, I keep it a buck, 30s under the truck. Try to check, I pull the and everybody better duck. I'm a Chucktown veteran, shell shock since a youth. My rehabilitation is watching strippers getting loose, getting neck like a goose in the club with the thugs. Living it up, ain't got time to worry about scrubs. If your pride sitting on dubs and your paint on flip flop, put your hands in the air, cause your swag on trip. See me 30 deep in the club, they like. SS sitting on dubs, they like. Posted up on me with a mug, they like. Ladies like, fellas like. See me 30 deep in the club, they like. SS sitting on dubs, they like. Posted up on me with a mug, they like. Ladies like, fellas like.
When I pull up to the club, everybody looking. A lot of people shocked cause the whip that I'm pushing. You know my rims big and I got my 12 thumping. The center of attention, boy,